Hello traders, today is Friday the 4th of August, Friday. And as always guys, we are going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's get started. Yesterday's trades, the first one was this, Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. And we were looking to short this pair. Why were we looking to short it? Let me explain. So we are in a downtrend stroke range, okay? Yeah, potentially ranging between these two levels, guys. But we're in a downtrend and we're in a range, so shorts from the top of the range makes sense, yeah? We also had a nice bearish candle that bounced off of the top of the range, yeah. So we were just looking for shorts for all of those reasons, guys. And as you can see, you know, price did come down nicely, and I still think we're going to potentially make it down to the bottom of the range, guys. All right, so this is the trade we were looking at yesterday, and we managed to get in on this trade. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, we had a nice entry. So we had our grey zones mapped out, and it was actually this grey zone that proved to be the entry zone, because we got this, well, let me zoom in. We got this nice bearish candle that formed at our grey zone. Yeah, so entered here, put my stop above here, and then took price back down to this blue line here, because this was my first target. At this level, I closed 80% because this is how I roll. So yeah, closed 80%, guys, and then I'm still in this trade for 20%, which I'm just going to let run. Especially after looking at that day chart, I still think this is a short trade. So yeah, we're just going to let that run, guys. But yeah, nice trade, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. We were also looking at Euro Swiss franc, which also gave us a nice setup. But I was in Canadian dollar Swiss franc trade. But let's start with the day chart. So we were looking to short this. Why were we looking to short this? Well, we were in a downtrend. Yeah, price come back up. We had this really nice level in here. What was once support becomes resistance. Okay, so it was at a nice level. Structure, we were with structure at a nice support and resistance level. And we got this nice big bearish candle. Okay, so the idea was just to follow this potentially back down to this blue line, which it hit, and you can see, and if not, back down to these last daily lows. Okay, so this was another nice trade, guys. If we drop down to the H1, yeah, again, we plotted this grey zone through here that we were interested in, and price reacted there. We got this nice big bearish candle here. Okay, like I said, I was in the Canadian dollar Swiss franc trade, but you could have traded either of them. Yeah, enter here, stop above here, take price back down to this blue line. You know, you've got your 1 is to 1. Yeah, and it's up to you guys. Maybe you close the trade there. Maybe you let some money run. Yeah, maybe you want more risk to reward. Yeah, it depends on your strategy, guys. But another nice trade on Euro Swiss franc short. Okay, so yeah, nice trades. The next one, guys, from yesterday was this. It was US dollar against the Japanese yen. What were we looking at, guys? So yeah. If we start with the day chart, we were looking at this, guys. Yeah, we are still in an uptrend. So price had came up, pushed back up. Yeah, we had gotten bullish candles. This wick was also bullish. Yeah, and we're in an uptrend. So the idea was to come from one of these, you know, areas of support and buy this trade back up to here. I'm actually in this trade, guys, okay? But I do not like this daily candle. Yeah, I really don't. But yeah, let's take a look, guys. So yeah, we were looking to buy this pair. And then if we drop down to the H1, you can see at these last lows, guys, yeah, price came all the way down. None of this price action tells us to get in here, and this was a huge bearish H4 candle. Not even this candle, keeps carrying on down. But when I saw this candle, guys, I actually got in on this trade. Yeah, looking at the daily candle, you know, hindsight, should have taken some profit, but I wasn't. I was asleep, so that's difficult. My target is actually here. But yeah, we've entered here. My stop loss or hedge, whatever you use, is below here. And the idea was to first take price up to here, get my 1:1 risk to reward, close 80% and leave the rest of the trade to run. But as you can see, guys, you know, I'm still in this trade. I haven't taken profit yet. So let's see how this plays out. Yeah, if we start getting another reaction from this grey zone, then good. Yeah, buys are still on the agenda. So yeah, that was US dollar Japanese yen still in this trade. The last trade from yesterday was this Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. And this was a similar scenario, guys. If we look at the day chart, yeah, we're still in an uptrend. Yeah, we had, you know, a break of this high. We had this wick, yeah, which I still liked. But then we also, you know, and we could have traded from here, but we also had this bearish candle yesterday, which again, you know, doesn't fill me with confidence. But we have had a wick that closed back into our grey zone. And we had the moving average 20. So it's literally just bouncing off that moving average 20. So although we do have a bearish candle, this, you know, this could still potentially be a nice area for buys. But we shall see. So yeah, let's drop down to the H1 now. And like US dollar Japanese yen, we never got, you know, it was just selling pressure. Okay, so we never got a trade until, you know, you might have got in on this one, guys. Okay, so I got in US dollar Japanese yen, and I actually closed a hedge here. But you could have entered here, put your stop below here, you know, and look to take price maybe back up to this level here. Yeah, if not back up to this level. All right, guys. So yeah, we had lots of opportunities yesterday, lots of entries. Let me know how you traded them. It will be interesting to know. Yeah, you can leave your how you traded it on our free Discord channel. So check it out, guys. So those are the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button, guys, so you receive an alert every time we do a vid. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button right now. Yeah, it helps support the vid, helps support the channel. Merci beaucoup. Right, so trades for Friday, the 4th of August. Before I get started, let me just mention a few things that we do. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. Yeah, it's free, so come join it. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing ideas, knowledge. We've got psychology in there. We've got useful links, indicators, loads of cool things. So come join that. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we've got the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this service, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about whatever you like, trading that is. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. We give you exclusive content every week. And you even have access to a performance coach should you need some help with performance. If you're interested in that, guys, the link is for the VIP subscription is in the video description. I'm sure I made a mistake there. Anyway, let's carry on. Thirdly, guys, yeah, we do a mentorship program. Yeah, if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Okay, the link is in the video description. Also, guys, if you watch my analysis vids every day, my live streams, you can now support the channel. Yeah, we have Simply Forex YouTube membership, starts from as little as $2 a month or something, and there's loads of perks to becoming a member. So join that. And also, guys, we do the live streams Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. So no live stream today, but Monday there will be. Okay, let's get started. So Friday, we a little bit of deja vu, guys. Yeah, we're going to look at a couple of trades that we already, well, I'm in one of them from yesterday. And sometimes, guys, this will happen because I'm an intraday trader. I will have a setup on a certain pair one day and I will be in and out of that trade. And then because that trade has gone in direction, it's usually a trade the following day as well. All right. And this is the case with Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, we're still looking to short this pair. So it's still in a downtrend. Yeah, it's still in this range. Okay. And there's still room to come down to the bottom of this range. Okay. Also, guys, yeah, look at these candles. Yeah, the last 2 days have just been bearish. Okay, I'm still in this trade for 20%, but if I get another setup, I'll trade it. And the idea is to come back down to this level here, if not a little bit further into this grey zone. Okay, so yeah, looking to short Canadian dollar Swiss franc. If we drop down to the H1 chart now, we've got a few zones from which we can trade. So ideally, guys, I would like a retrace back to this level, yeah, back to this last H1 high and where price has reacted before. If we do, I want to see a bearish reaction. I'll get into the trade. I'll probably take the trade down to here to take some profit and then let some profit run. Okay, so that's the first trade idea or trade area. It could retrace back up to here. Yeah, I don't expect it to, but it could. And again, if it does, bearish reaction and we can enter. All right. The third idea with this trade is this. Yeah, we just break these lows, guys. So, you know, it's already in a downtrend. Maybe it just carries on, breaks this level, retests it. Yeah, and then we can get in and start selling this pair as well. All right. So, yeah, Canadian dollar Swiss franc, we're looking to short this. The next trade is euro against the Swiss franc, guys. All right. So like I say, same ideas from yesterday, but, you know, still good trades. So price is in a downtrend, as you know. Yeah. Price has come back up, tested this gray zone in here. What was once support is now resistance. It's also bounced off this moving average 20. Okay. So like double whammy resistance here. All right. And if I zoom in, you can see we've had two, you know, real bearish candles on the spin. And the idea is just to continue this bearish momentum back down to these lows and this blue line here, which is 9,550. I like a nice psychological level. If we drop down to the H1 now, what are we looking for? So there's a couple of ways we can trade this, guys. All right. So first of all, price retraces into this gray zone. Why did I choose this gray zone? Well, price has, you know, been reacting in this gray zone. Even if I pull it across, guys, it's been reacting. And then what I want to see is a bearish reaction. We then get into the trade and we can start taking it lower. Okay. If that doesn't happen, guys, price could retrace back up to yesterday's entry where we got in up here. And again, want to see a bearish reaction and then we can start selling it as well. All right. So, yeah, those are my two trade ideas for today. So again, I'm still seeing a bit of Swiss franc strength. Yeah, so they're the two trade ideas, guys. Don't forget all the cool things we do as well, and please don't forget to smash the like button right now. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday the 4th of August, guys. All right, so if we carry on down, the first piece of news we're interested in, I would say, is this. At 10 o'clock, London GMT, we've got retail sales coming out of the euro. So this is basically seeing if people are spending money in the shops. So yeah, that could have an impact on the euro. But then the big news is all later, guys. Yeah, all coming out of the US, and it's all coming out at the same time. So at 1:30 London GMT, we've got average hourly earnings. We got the big one, NFPs, non-farm payrolls, and we got the unemployment rate. So 1:30 is really going to move the US dollar, guys. All right, must be aware of all this data. And at the same time, yeah, we've coming out of Canada, we've also got the unemployment rate and employment change. So these, although 2 stars, are 3-star ratings for me. Yeah, this could also move the Canadian dollar. So imagine if you're in US dollar, Canadian dollar, it's going to be a super volatile pair because all this news is coming out at the same time. Okay, so must be aware of this news coming out. And then after that, guys, yeah, it's Friday. Yeah, go down the pub, enjoy yourself. Yeah, all right, guys. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day, a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you on Monday. See you later, guys.